Perfect. Perfect.
Alright, what's going on YouTube? Appreciate you coming back for another video. Today we're going to get this frame offloaded on this trailer. First I'm going to get one of these trucks moved to the side. I'm going to put the frame right there to the left of the green Chevy. So let's get it. Well, whenever you're a one-man crew, you got to improvise. Hopefully, with the help of this electric 2,000-pound winch, snatch blocks, and a couple of shackles, and this tow strap, be able to get this thing offloaded. What I'm going to do is mount my winch right here to the center support, run my winch line all the way back here to the back of my trailer, where I've got a tie down point. I'm going to put a shackle with a snatch block right here, run my winch line through it, double it back around, run up the frame to the tow strap, which I'll have secured off at the tow hooks at the front of the frame here. And whenever I start winching, that combined with the winch and the snatch block should just pull it right off. Of course, I'll have to ease up some to allow it to slide off the back of the trailer, but here goes. Give it a try. Alright, got everything all rigged up. Here's my setup as it stands. Got my winch shackled off to this center support with the winch line running down the length of the trailer, running through this snatch block here, coming back up the trailer, and attach them two tow straps that are attached to the tow hooks in front of the bumper. So let's hurry up and try to get this done before the rain moves back in. It's already starting to sprinkle again. just like that. That's how you get it done with one man. So I'm gonna wrap up here, get all my recovery here, put it back away. All right. Anybody know what movie that's off of? All right, got the trailer all tidied up, and the ramps all secured, recovery gear all put back neatly and stowed away here in the toolbox. So I want to thank y'all for stopping by for another video. This is going to conclude this one. We got this frame offloaded and put side by side with the one that's getting frame swapped. So all we got to do now is get her set up on some blocks where everything's nice and level. Get a tire for the passenger side. Take that rear axle out. Transfer it over to here where she's sitting level. And then set her back down on the ground. And then we can start swapping everything over. Of course, once the frame gets completely took down, if everything don't need to be on it, and take some POR 15 and get that rust taken care of and prime and paint the frame. But until next time, appreciate y'all stopping by. If you would like, comment, subscribe. If you subscribe, hit the notification bell, that way you get notification on the next video that drops. Hope y'all have a good day.